Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip SHAIBU, on Sunday, June 25, 2023, took Kariwaka enter Rock of Ages Christian Assembly for Benin City to join body with the church for their Sunday service. Oga SHAIBU come talk say when people say Philip strong, say they don't understand the backing wey im get. Im come talk say him and Pastor Charlse Osazuwa get close relationship even before he become deputy governor and former member of House of Assembly, and say Pastor Charlse Osazuwa na im father and friend, and im dey always give am encouragement.
I became deputy governor from my struggle to become a member of the House. Yes. He has been my father, and he has been praying for me, and he has been giving me all the encouragement that I desire when it was very, very, very turbulent, rough, not as deputy governor, before the House of Assembly time. And you know how it was difficult to get Edo back to the people. So when people say, Philip is tough, Philip is very strong, they don't understand. And so I have strong backing, and when you have backing that is not just physical, it's spiritual, and you have a man of God like him not supporting me because I'm in politics, but supporting his own brother, his own friend, and his own family. So, that kind of support is beyond just praying for somebody. So, I don't know why I'm revealing some of my but it's good. I'm happy to be here today. I'm happy to come and visit my brother. So to you, I'm visiting the president of RACA. For me, I'm visiting my brother. Come and fellowship with the church and to also see him. And, he has a way of saying it the way it is. And he has a way of just telling me. He doesn't talk to me as this is deputy governor. He talks to me as the Philip that he knows. So when he passed the message, I understand the message. I have to run back. Some of my staff and some of my political associates that I would have loved that they came with, they were here with me today. And as he was ministering, Wisdom 1, Wisdom 2, Wisdom 3, especially what we all know to be what is pulling the whole world, which is idea. But beyond the idea, he told us today, you don't need capital. You understand? You don't need capital, really. You need idea to flow. So your product is how your idea can manifest and make it work. Because according to today's message, the product and service is key. And the foundation is giving. But giving without the product and service, obviously, is nothing. So these three today, if we can put it to light, and that speaks to the new generation, the new vision, the new hope of Edo. Nigeria is not a production center today because those three things are lacking. And I think this is where to go. So today, beyond the spiritual blessing, we are understanding now that prayer without work cannot work. So it's a new message, and not just, I've always known him because he said the way it is, he tells me about life, he tells me how to make it work, and that's what we need now in Nigeria. And I think I recommend that beyond coming to service, those things that I've seen on TV, TBN, on AIT, we need to log in. So that I'm recommending this to the younger ones now. And one important message I'm taking home today too is we have a way of condemning people. There's a new generation of, in quotes, Yahoo plus, and we see them as evil or people that are that should be cast away. No, today he's saying no. These people are very, very key to our society. They are very important to our society. He's welcoming them to church. He's telling them, come. But coming, redirecting their thinking, because the knowledge we are talking about is what these children are exhibiting. So now he needs to now mentor them. He needs to now shepherd them to using that same idea that we see as negative to be positive. I think this is the new message, and we need to key to it.
The founder of Rock of Ages Christian Assembly, Pastor Charlse Osazuwa, wey come talk to Tori people after the church service, come talk say Oga Philip SHAIBU no come as deputy governor, but he come sake of the relationship between him and the family. He come talk say for every generation, God must raise a man, and na him be the man wey God don raise for this generation.
I want to establish that he didn't come because he's the deputy governor. There's a relationship, and this relationship is not today. It's somebody that is known not just to me, to the family. So we are quite close. That's what I'm doing. He just told you that part of the advice I have given, both publicly and privately. So that's what it's in. You see, my position in this state is very important. It's important because in every generation, God must raise a man. And I see myself as that man God has positioned. So I speak truth to leadership, no matter who is involved. So my position is, I will tell you, anybody in government who listens to my advice will do well. Because I'm close to the people. I feel their pain. I know exactly what they need. So that's what it is.
From Benin, Ejo, TMC TV News.